Ready to make some more friends to attract your tribe into your life? I'm Jennifer Harmony. Let's get tapping. To the backside of your hand, big deep breath into your belly. Exhaling with a sigh. We're just going to acknowledge some of the negative thoughts that might be blocking these friends from coming into your life. So repeating back after me. Sometimes I believe it's hard to make friends. Between the eyebrows. I don't know where my friends are. To the sides of the eyes. The truth is, I feel unfulfilled in my friendships. Tapping under the eyes. I am craving deeper connections. Under the nose. I want to actually connect with someone. Under the lips. To feel supported by them. Tapping to the chest. To enjoy things in common. To the front of the ribs. I am done with small talk. To the side of the body. And I love and accept myself. And I am sending love and support to the part of me that's had a rough journey with friendships. Tapping to the wrist. That felt really shy and awkward. Tapping to the back side of the hand. That's been feeling unfulfilled in my friendships. Big deep breath. Tapping up to the top of the head. And even though it's been difficult for me to make friends, I love and accept myself. Doing the eyebrows. I love and accept myself, even though it's difficult for me to make friends. To the sides of the eyes. And I'm open to the possibility that it might start getting easier for me to make friends now. Tapping under the eyes. I'm open to being more relaxed. Tapping under the nose. And I'm open to showing a bit more of my true self. Tapping under the lips. Even though I've been really nervous to show more of my true self. Tapping to the chest, because I'm scared about how they're going to react. The front of the ribs. I'm scared of being judged or embarrassed. Because that's what happened when I was younger. Tapping to the side of the body. I've been hurt by friends in the past. And the truth is, it's hard for me to trust people. And so I stay shy and closed, and I keep the conversation safe. Tapping to the wrist. And I love and forgive myself for doing that. Backside of the hand. But I'm open to the possibility that it's safe for me now to be just 20% more of myself around people. Top of the head, of being more of my authentic self around others. Big deep breath. And even if some people judge me, it's possible that by being myself, it'll attract the right kind of people. Between the eyebrows, deep breath. To the side of the eyes. I give myself permission to be more of myself now. Under the eyes. I give myself permission to be more of myself now. Under the nose. I'm letting myself speak my truth. Under the lips. I'm letting myself be seen more. Tapping to the chest. And I'm open to the possibility, if there's someone I'm curious to get to know more, of letting them know that. I'm open to letting them know that I'm interested in being friends. That I think they're cool. Front of the ribs. Maybe asking them a question about themselves. To the side of the body. And I'm reassuring the part of me that's feeling shy that's scared of rejection, that I got that part of me. That it's going to be okay. Tapping to the wrist. Because everything's actually a conversation I'm having with the universe. And so when I tell someone I'm interested in being friends with them, what I'm actually doing is telling life and the universe, I'm ready for a new friend. Tapping to the back side of the hand, taking a deep breath. And for the record, I'm letting life know I'm ready for a new friend. Top of the head. I'm ready for a tribe of friends. Between the eyebrows. And I am ready to relax. Side of the eyes. And I'm ready to be myself. Under the eyes. I am ready to be more of myself around people. Rubbing under the nose. Because I'm ready for deeper connections. Having under the lips. I'm ready to be inspired by my friends. To the chest. I'm ready to be uplifted and supported by my friends. Front of the ribs. And I'm ready to inspire and uplift my friends. So I'm choosing to be a magnet for friends. Deep breath. To the side of the body. And I'm ready to take steps to let people know I think they're awesome. Moving to the wrist. And I love and accept myself exactly where I'm at with this. The truth is, I'm a really good friend. Backside of the hand. I'm a great friend. And I am ready for new friends now. Tapping up to the top of the head. Deep breath. And I'm ready to take the next step. And so what would that be? Just tune in for a moment. Is there someone that you're interested in getting to know better? Maybe online or in person? Between the eyebrows. Let's say I'm reassuring the part of me that's worried I'm not good enough. Sides of the eyes, that's afraid of being rejected. Under the eyes. I'm reassuring it that it's okay. Under the nose, that I am worthy of friends. Under the lips. Deep breath. I am a magnet for friends. Chest. Friends are attracted to me. Front of the ribs. Amazing, inspiring friends who are ready for a deep, lifelong connection are magnetized to me now. Tapping to the side of the body. I love and accept myself. And I am seeing myself surrounded by friends. Laughing, crying, connecting. Tapping to the wrist. I deserve this. The back side of the hand. I deserve friends. Beautiful, well done, staying all the way to the end. Drop a few emojis or a comment into the comments. How do you feel now? Or you can write something like, I'm ready for new friends. Whatever it is, it's a great way to support me and help these videos get seen by more people. There's also a 5-day tapping challenge, which really helps you release stress and have more love and self-love and confidence. 5-day free challenge. Information is in the description down below. And I also guide people on deeply transformative one-on-one journeys. So we get to create a new reality for yourself, release the old stories and the pain from the past, and really step into a new version of yourself, your next level self, and put you on a different trajectory in this life. So if you're ready and if you're interested for that, then get in touch. All the information is down below. There's also over 100 other tapping videos on my channel, so check them out. Until next time, remember that every single part of you is worthy of love.